Creating your first funnel in GoHighLevel might feel a little confusing at first, but don't worry, in this video I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so by the end you will have your first funnel live and ready to capture leads or make sales, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our tech tutorial. And also check the link in the description below for exclusive GoHighLevel free trial offer. And if you use my link from the description, you can use the free trial up to 30 days instead of the 14 days. So let's get back to the video. Once you are inside in your GoHighLevel or your GoHighLevel dashboard, just navigate to the sites here and just click on this funnel. And here you can see there is option for new funnel. Just click on this button. Now you can see there is a three different option. One is the blank form, another is the funnel AI, and another is the funnel by the help of the template. So if you want to create yourself, you can go with the blank, or if you want to use the AI, then you can do that, but I will suggest you to create the funnel from the blank page or use the template. So in this case I'm just going to use the blank and just give it a name here. I'm just keeping this name test and click on this create button here. Now here just click on this add new step, or if you have any ClickFunnels funnel, then you can import that by using the ClickFunnels link, but we are going to create a new one, so just write the name here and create funnel steps. Okay, here you can see we have created a funnel. Now we have to create the page where the funnel will be available or displayed for our customer or our audience. So just click on this create from blank. Now it will be redirected to the page which is the page builder for your funnel. Okay, from here you can see there is a different kind of element. So first of all, let's create a basic one so you can understand better. Now I'm just simply adding a column here, and you can control the width. I'm just keeping this full, and here let's click on this plus or add icon, and from here let's headline. Okay, I'm just keeping it as it is. Then click here and I'm adding a paragraph under this headline. Okay, now click on this for the element, and if you don't want to click here, just you can click on this plus here, like this add element. Let's say I want to add a photo here or image. Now let's add an image here. So if you want, then you can upload your image by clicking on this upload button, and you can use the Google Drive by connecting your Google Drive. So I'm not going to do that. So I have a image here. So this is the image. Just insert the media. You can see you can control the size or do all of this thing, and then just click a survey or submit or this kind of. But before that, let's say I want to add the email, right? So let's click on like the form builder or form. Okay, just click on this, and here you have to click or select a form. So I have three form. Basically I have created this before, so let's click this to import. I'm just keeping this for this tutorial as it is, and just click on this save here. Now go to the back, and you can see your funnel has been created. If you want to see this or preview, just click on this here, like view page, this button here, just click and it will open a new tab and you can see your. So basically this is how you can create your first funnel on GoHighLevel, and whether it's for your lead generation, your product sale or webinar, you can do that. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.